Hello from EMO Milano. In this edition, we are showing how Hexagon transforms manufacturing operations into a smarter, connected ecosystem. Let me give you a quick overview. There is an app available for iOS and Android, but here I'm going to show you the web version on an iPad. As you can see here, we have a suite of multiple mobile applications such as Connected Worker, Paperless Traveler, Quality Inspection, or Daily Report. The Connected Worker app, for instance, provides operators with easy access to the information, and this empowers workers, for example, here, with a practical tool to report any new event on the go. You can add detailed information, track the process, and insert relevant pictures as well. We can also track in real time the overall equipment effectiveness of a device or a workflow. This is a simple view of performance, quality, and availability over the time. An important feature is that through alerts and notifications, quality managers are instantly notified of non-conformances so they can review the details and drive corrective action back to the shop floor in real time. And one of the last examples could be field inspections, which is an essential step in verifying conformity of the production. Reporting is one of the main capabilities of our applications. Get in touch with us at hexagonmi.com SFX and benefit from our operational excellence solutions. Thank you very much.